Hi there, today we'll be covering how to calculate derivatives, specifically reciprocal trig functions. We have both standard trig functions and reciprocal trig functions, and shown here are all their derivatives. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the reciprocal trig functions. First, let's cover what these functions look like, as you may not be familiar with them. Here are the standard trig functions, and here are the reciprocal trig functions. To simplify the graphs, I did not show asymptotes, but they do exist where you expect them. Although it is easier to just memorize the derivatives of the reciprocal trig functions, we can also calculate them manually. For example, to calculate the derivative of the secant of x, we first must change this to 1 over cosine of x. Next, we use chain rule, which I will not cover in detail as I cover this in a different video. But following chain rule and some simplification steps, we see that the derivative is secant of x times tangent of x. I showed how to derive the secant of x, but very similar steps can be used to calculate the derivative of cosecant of x. Cotangent of x is a bit trickier as it also uses the quotient rule, but try it for yourself.